So how do you mute the shutter sound on the iPhone? Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, go ahead and subscribe right now and you'll never miss videos like this one. So the shutter button, of course, when you press when you capture the photo, you're gonna hear it, but of course you can enable the silent mode on the iPhone in general. So you can, for example, switch the mute switch like that, and when your phone is set to silent, then the camera will also not have any sound. So it doesn't matter if you, of course, do it through the mute switch on the side or through the action button, or even if you do it through a software button in the control center. As long as your phone is in the silent mode, you can keep capturing photos and they will be captured silently. I have to mention a little caveat though, because some phones manufactured perhaps in some other countries might be made with this feature not being removable, right? Some phones, I believe some Japanese models, depends, right? But those devices are designed and specifically made so that you cannot mute the shutter sound to ensure the privacy of other people and to ensure that everybody knows that you are taking a photo. Like in most devices, it is going to be working that when you enable the silent mode, that the sound of the shutter will not be there. But I'm just saying that there are some phones like iPhone models where it may not work. So let me know what you think below. Let me know if it did in fact work for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future videos.